some gloopy PVA glue and some tissue paper, some paint, sticky tape and some spongy kitchen cloth, a pencil, a black pen and a silver pen. Ooh. Wow! Now, we also need a sticky material fastener, and you can get that from an art and craft shop. I'll be back in a tick. I've got it. Here we go. Here is a sticky material fastener. Now, to make a brilliant box suitcase, like this one here, first make 4 holes in the front of your cardboard cereal box with a sharp pencil. Now, you might want to ask an adult to help you with this bit, as it is a bit tricky. Now, we're going to make a hole in all 4 corners. Now, we're going to use these holes to cut 3 lines. That's along here, here, and here. Now, this is going to make the flap of our suitcase. Be careful, though, because scissors are sharp. And again, you might want to ask an adult to help you. Now, find 2 spongy kitchen cloths, like this, and then cut them into 2 strips, like this. There we go. Now, these 2 strips here are going to be the handle and the strap on our suitcase. So, bring the box back in. There it is, and there's our flap. And we're going to stick the handle on top here with some sticky tape. And we're also going to put the strap over here so that it keeps everything inside when the suitcase is closed. Now, to keep the strap closed, you will need a sticky material fastener. Now, that's made up of 2 pieces. There's one rough piece and a smooth piece. Now, if you stick the smooth piece to the rough piece, they stick together. And then you can pull them apart. Look at that, it's magic. So, let's stick them on to our suitcase. Okay, stick one piece to the suitcase and the other to the strap, like this. And when they stick together, it will keep the suitcase closed and everything inside. Look at that! Fantastic! Now we need to cover our suitcase in a layer of tissue paper and a special gloopy mixture that's made up of half gloopy glue and half water. Let's give it a hit and start laying down our pieces of tissue paper. When it's all nice and dry, you can paint it any colour you like. But how about you paint brown squares on the corners and brown on the strap and the handle. You could do orange on the edges and maybe even a nice bright green on the rest of the suitcase. In fact, you can even